Today we're going to be looking at another Gothic Lolita Bible makeup look, this time the Gothic version. This is not the makeup look, this is my look, which we will be looking at next to it in comparison, so let's dive in. I'm diving back into the autumn 2008 English GLB to do the Gothic Lolita makeup this time. The last time I was in this magazine, I did this sweet Lolita look. This time we're going to try this Gothic Lolita look, and to me, this looks like a no makeup look, and I know that I am a bad judge of that because I wear a lot of makeup, but this to me just looks like eyeliner and lipstick. So I'm scared and excited to try it. Also because yesterday I did my eyeliner really well. I had like a phenomenal eyeliner day yesterday. So naturally today I'm gonna have a horrible eyeliner day. That's just how science works. We're gonna get through that, and then hopefully tomorrow it'll balance out and I'll have another good eyeliner day. So when I do my own makeup that I wear with Gothic Lolita, it will be good eyeliner. We're gonna use a matte makeup base, then apply liquid foundation to obtain fair and semi-matte complexion. Next, apply gold pearl powder to your T-zone and add highlights to the upper part of your cheekbones for a natural looking glow. Oh man, they really love pearl as a descriptor. Like, I guess that just means shimmer, like shimmery. It's almost like my camera's like too bright right now to really capture how kind of ridiculous this is. Oh, that did not work out how I thought it would. It's so shiny. Oh no. Okay. What's next? Cheeks. Apply beige blush to your cheekbones, blending it upwards to your temples. What exactly is beige blush? Like, what color would that be? It would be like taupe. I don't know if that blush, like, does that blush exist? Would that look good on anyone? It looks kind of like a very mild orange brown kind of color. This is like beige. Or is this beige? I don't know. Yeah, I feel like that's what they're going for, right? Fill in your eyebrows using a shade slightly darker than your natural hair and drawing a natural curve. Sweep a pearly gray powder eyeshadow over your entire eyelid to add definition. Apply black eyeliner to both upper and lower eyelids. Draw a thick line on the upper eyelid, making the line thicker towards the outer corner of the eye. Apply plenty of mascara to both upper and lower lashes and apply feather false eyelashes to outer corner of your eyes. It doesn't look like she has, I guess she does have a little bit of bottom eyeliner, but it looks like it's done with a pencil and like the top is done with liquid eyeliner. I never put eyeliner on my lower lash line, but let's try it out. Again, the eyeshadow is just like one color swept across the eyelid. Oh, this still looks way heavier than what they show. And I want to like blend it out, but it doesn't say to do that, but I want to. The way that they described it is kind of like the way that I already do my eyeliner, so I think that'll be okay. But again, it is a bad eyeliner day, so let's be forgiving with me on this. Yeah, it's like shaky and blobby, whereas yesterday it was so snatched and clean. But it is what it is. It's not that bad. Okay, I don't really have a pencil for lower eyeliner. Maybe I'll just use a really thin brush and some eyeshadow. I did this way too heavy, much heavier than it needs to be. I'm gonna try to like blend it out. Okay, not bad, not bad. Interesting look. Now I'll add that's it? No inner corner highlight or anything, just eyelashes and mascara, I guess. Alright, so for lips, use a rose pink liner to outline your lips and then fill them with a rose pink lipstick. What does rose pink mean? Like, there's so many colors of pink roses. To me, this looks like a light kind of berry red, whereas when I think of pink rose, I think of like a much lighter color pink. I don't know that I have a lip liner in that color, but I feel like one of my lipsticks could work for this. I don't like having this like pinky tone with Gothic Lolita. I don't know. I feel like it's a common thing that I saw in like early 2000s, but I don't really see anymore. I just don't think it works with my pink undertones. Maybe if you have a different skin tone, it would work for you. This is what they show for rose pink. It's like the color of my door. That's not what is in this image. There is a hairstyle and a wig option for this. The hairstyle is to basically curl all of your hair, and I don't want to curl all my hair. It would take me a very long time, so I will just put on a wig. So I'm going to add my mascara to complete the look, and then put on a wig and put on a kind of old school looking Gothic Lolita outfit, and we will finish the GLB Gothic Lolita look. So this is the final look. Yes, this is technically not a Lolita dress. It is my Hot Topic dress, but it's kind of the closest old school vibes piece that I have. I don't hate this makeup, but I also don't love it. I am not a fan of this lip color with this look. I think that maybe something that's less pink, less ready would be better. I might wipe it off and try and show you what I mean. I'm not too mad at the eye makeup. I definitely think that the eyelashes are what's holding it together. I kind of like the idea of this under eye liner, even though I never really do it. Yeah, I'm not mad at it, but it's not really my vibe either. It definitely feels dated, like a early 2000s makeup look that I would do. My bangs kind of cover up the chaos that was the T-zone gold, which doesn't look that terrible on camera, but in real life is quite a lot. Yeah, I like that a lot already, like just swapping it out for a more cool tone lipstick, I think makes a lot of difference. Now let me show you how I do my makeup when I'm wearing Gothic clothes and Gothic Lolita. Today I'm doing my own makeup that I typically wear with like Gothic fashion and Gothic Lolita. It's sort of like a extreme cat eye, I guess. I don't remember where this originally came from. I think it's like a mix of different things that I'd seen. I think it was 2023 or 2022 I started really doing this shape with my eye makeup constantly in different colors. When I wear makeup for goth fashion and Gothic Lolita, I typically will do like grayscale makeup, or I will do sort of a reddy brown style of makeup, like with inspiration from vampires like Queen of the Damned. I generally really use like a lot of reds and browns and then black lips, or I'll do like black and white and gray and then reddy brown lips or black lips as well. I really like black lips, which is interesting because the Lolita handbook says not to use black lipstick, but I think that this is really just because it was written at a time when black lipstick was not readily available the way that it is today. I think that when this was written, people were typically associating black lipstick with like Halloween store quality makeup. I don't mean for this to be like a totally instructional tutorial, like it's just what I do and how it works with my face. You can take things from it if you like and try it out and see how it can adapt to your face and your style. I'm going to use one of these two like angle brushes that are super sharp, like they do a sharp line. And I'm not going to put primer on because I want to be able to blend it around. So I'm going to use a black and follow my under eye like upwards and then move it over across my eyelid above my crease to create like an inverted cat eye. It's not super clean, but I'm gonna blend it around and then also fill this space with primer and an eyeshadow and then color it in. I might have to change. I'm very sweaty now. It was so cold when I woke up. I'm gonna go over it with this brush that's like rounded but still small and just like blend it so it's less harsh, but not fully blend away the shape. And now I'm gonna change out of this kigurumi because it was a mistake. I'm filling this space in with a light gray. Sometimes I do this with white when I do Draculaura. I feel like these shapes are not ideal, but I think they'll come together with eyeliner and eyelashes. I don't know if I have the blush that I want to wear with me. I want to go for like an orangey salmon color, I think. I wear a lot of blush and I've always worn a lot of blush and I really like blush, and I think people claim that I will one day have blush blindness or look back and feel like I had blush blindness. But like, it's not, I'm not blind. I know it's there. I know it's a lot. I really like it. I've always just liked having a ton of blush and having it be the like transitional space between my eye makeup to my lipstick. Like everything is the same level of intensity. I feel like it's like a mid eyeliner day. Still not as good as that one day. I'm again like following my bottom lash line upwards and connecting it to the first outline that I did. I feel like in my Sweet Lolita video I gave a lot more instruction. I keep a lot of my old eyelashes in this that I want to reuse, and I don't always know which ones like pair up, so sometimes I have like mismatched eyelash types. I hope that these ones go together. They really look like they do, but can never be too sure. As I'm looking at this makeup, I'm like trying to even out the bottoms and blending this dark spot out. Gonna put eyelash primer on my bottom lashes and then mascara on my upper lashes. And then I'm gonna do my bottom lashes white to add contrast between the dark eyeshadow. I always have people asking about my white bottom lashes. And I don't know if I've talked about it before, but this is a thing that I picked up from Dolphy, and I'm not sure how they do it, but I do it by adding lash primer to my bottom lashes, letting them sit for a bit, and then I paint over them with liquid white eyeliner. I think that you could probably do it with just primer, but I think that the white eyeliner makes it pop a lot more. Okay. Now I'm just going to do my inner corner highlights and connect it to the lower dark part. I'm going to finish off with lipstick, and my favorite black lipstick is actually this like random Sephora liquid lipstick. I often use Sugar Pill as well, but I find that this one dries like heavy and matte, and I don't have to touch up as much, and I really like it. This is also the one that I use as my clown character at Haunt. This is the final look. I feel like this makeup might be considered a little bit too like new goth and modern for this like Victorian outfit, but it's my style. It's what I like. I really like Lolita dresses that are super lacy. I love lace details and this like neckline. I also really love big hats. It's very me. Staple. Keeps the sun off you in the summer. It is a lot more makeup than the old GLB standards, but this is what I like. This is what I feel comfortable in. I feel like it's all very even levels of intensity. I did burn myself while doing my hair in this video, so I'm sad about that. It's very annoying. I'm really happy that in this day and age, kind of any makeup style goes with Lolita. You can really do whatever you want, and you're not limited to these like simple, natural looks. If that's what you want to do, by all means do it, but if you want to do something more over the top, you are totally welcome to. Let me know if you would wear this look in the comments below, and as always, stay lovely. I think my phone has gone off a couple times throughout this video, and I'm not popular. I'm not getting a bunch of sponsor emails, which I wish I was. I'm actually just playing Pikmin Bloom, and it's just a couple of friends responding to my like calls for help or sending me things.